Welcome to this technical guide on the HP 15D013ss. We are Kelatos Informatica, specialists in technical repair. We collect your device from your doorstep, carry out a free diagnosis, and send you a quote before any repair. No phone calls, no trips to the shop. We are based at Calle Joaquín María López 26, Madrid. Convenient, transparent and professional. Link in the description. If your HP 15D013ss barely lasts off the charger, you're not alone. This issue often arises due to a failing battery that struggles to hold a charge over time. If left unaddressed, it can lead to further complications, making your device unusable when you need it most. The good news is that this problem can be fixed with some straightforward steps. For this repair, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic opening tool, a replacement battery for the HP 15D013ss, and an anti-static wrist strap to prevent any accidental damage to components. First, ensure your device is powered off and unplugged. Begin by carefully flipping the laptop over to access the battery compartment. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws securing the back panel. Keep these screws in a safe place as you'll need them later. Once the screws are out, take your plastic opening tool and gently pry open the back panel, being cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. Next, locate the battery, which is usually situated near the center of the device. You will see several screws holding the battery in place. Using your screwdriver, remove these screws, applying gentle force to avoid stripping them. Once the screws are out, carefully disconnect the battery cable from the motherboard. If you encounter resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. At this point, if you feel it's getting too tricky, remember that at Kelatos we collect your device from your door and return it fully repaired. Now, take the replacement battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring the connection is secure. Place the new battery into the compartment and replace the screws to hold it in place. After securing the battery, reattach the back panel by aligning it properly and pressing down gently until it clicks into place. Finally, replace the screws you removed earlier to ensure everything is securely fastened. Before powering up your device, double-check that all screws are tight and nothing is left loose. Once you're satisfied, turn your HP 15D013ss back on and see if it holds a charge as expected. To prevent this issue from recurring, consider keeping your battery charged between 20 and 80%, avoiding complete discharges whenever possible. Regularly updating your software can also help optimize battery performance. If you'd rather not risk damaging your device, at Kelatos we collect, repair and deliver back to your door anywhere in the UK. Link in the description.